Anakin, welcome to our workshop. Today, I'll show you exactly how camel bone is processed for luxury furniture inlays, step by step.
The process begins with raw camel bones, precisely measured and sliced by diamond-tipped saws into manageable segments for further refinement.
The thickness is holding steady at the target tolerance.
Confirmed. Cutting accuracy is optimal.
Every piece is refined to achieve the perfect balance of strength, color, and purity.
These inlays transform fine furniture into timeless works of art. Every piece undergoes strict quality inspection before delivery.
Okay, easy now. A little to the left. Perfect. Lower it slowly onto the foam.
And that's how camel bone is processed for luxury furniture inlays. We'll tear from start to finish.